I think the field of conservation and collections care is so exciting because you really know that you're making an impact on cultural heritage, not only for this generation, but for generations to come.
I think that the Museum Collections Management and Care program, certificate program, is different because the instructors are practicing professional staff that are well regarded in their field. And I also feel that there's the power of the GW Museum Studies Master's program behind it.
I think for students, a real benefit of our program is that we are really completely online, so you never come to campus. We also never ask students to log on at a specific time. We know that there are students from all over the country, in all different time zones, and sometimes even internationally. So we really try to be as flexible as possible.
This program is different because it is tailored towards the early to mid-career museum professional, with someone who's been in the field for a few years, may already have a few degrees under their belt, but it does provide those gaps that you may not get in a traditional museum studies program. The legal and ethical aspects were some of my favorite courses, as well as the preventive conservation.
I actually learn a lot from my students. They're working professionals, and so they're coming to class with real-world issues and questions that we then can brainstorm solutions for as a group.
Some of the benefits for students who participate in GW's online collections course are they're getting a synthesized version of the classroom training. They also have access to museum professionals who are currently very active in the museum studies field. They also have a chance to network with their fellow professionals via the discussion boards and other communications outlets that we provide for the students via Blackboard.
The small ratio between students and professors, in addition to the online format, it makes it possible to be in direct contact with all the other students and the professor on a daily basis, which makes me feel like I'm really part of the program.
So our graduates actually have various roles in museums. We've had registrars, collection care managers, curators. We even had some museum directors. We've also had people that have come in, they started out as interns, and then getting our degree has helped them either get a promotion or move on to a different museum.
I would recommend this program to those who may already have a master's degree in history and want to increase their knowledge of the museum studies field, but feel maybe they don't have the time to go through a full master's program for museum studies. This one will give you the meat and the bones of everything that you need to know to be an effective member of our profession.
Who doesn't love going to a museum? And museums are no longer just quiet places where you just stood there and appreciated something, but it's really an interactive and engaging space. It's not only through online and digital technologies, but I think also through educational programming and a myriad of other ways to really make the public feel a part of the museum community and to share the mission and the message of your institution. And it's such a great way to promote public education and the general cultural benefit of our societies.
I get excited by what I do because I really like interacting with the students and seeing them grow and learn. And then also knowing that what they're taking away from class is impacting their collections and their museums, which then is really helping cultural preservation for us all.